Okay, this one, let's see, they want you to make the bounciness slow down. Alright, so that is where? Okay, set bounciness. So that's right here. For the basketball, the bounciness is 0.8. Soccer ball, there's no bounciness. Pool ball is 0.4. And the wood is no bounciness. Oh, okay, so they want you to add bounciness to soccer ball. So let's get the bounciness. Soccer ball. Soccer ball. Let's go 0.5. Reset. Oh, cool. There it is. Okay, on this one, they want you to have a bad guy. They're calling it obstacle. So let's get a bad guy. How about a B? I'll call it B. B-E-E. Alright, so now we have our B, and we're going to add it into our project. And they wanted to call it obstacle. Obstacle. Alright, there's the obstacle. Alright, so when we hit run, it's not looking nice, right? Because we have our variable obstacle, but we don't have the set animation. Huge boo-boo. So the obstacle, and there's the B. Hopefully it's there. Alright, it's there. Nice. Let's move it a little bit. Okay, so to move the B so it's not dead center, we have to change it to X and Y coordinates. Let's go 300. 300. That looks better. So when we run it, we're grabbing coins, and the B is there. Now we haven't put any code on the B, right? So it's just gonna pass right through it. But that's okay, because that's probably coming up. Alright, on this one, they want you to be able to not just go through the obstacle. So, what are we going to do? Bounciness. I'm sorry, bounce off. Bounce off. So in our function, we're going to add bounce off. So our character, right, bounces off. obstacle. I hope. Alright, let's check it out. Come on, bounce off the B. Yeah, boy. So, I guess like in Mario, this would be like kind of bouncing off of one of those trampoline things, as opposed to getting a bad guy and losing health. Cool. Alright, on this one, they want you to program the coin so that it doesn't show up behind the B or your obstacle, whatever. So they want you to put in some code saying that basically if the coin is touching the B, it's going to scoot the coin over, right? To do that, you got it. If statements. Oh, yes. All right, in here, let's grab our if. We'll sneak it in right there. So if the coin is touching, and the B is called the obstacle, then we want to displace obstacle, displace the coin. So what we're doing here is if the coin randomly lands on the B, the coin's gonna get booted out. So I think probably right here it did land on the B and it got scooted over. Cool. So now you'll never have a coin behind the B. Sounds good. Alright, so this one they want you to set the colliders to circle. We did this before in 10. Right? So these were squares at first and we made them circles. That is right here. Set collider. So let's do that. Where's set collider? Okay, set collider. Find our coin. Alright, our coin is no longer a rectangle. We want it to be a circle. So we got that so far. Cool. And then we got to add the debug, just like we did in 10. Right? Debug equals true. So just like this. Variable coin debug against the coin equals true. And you can see it's the debug is there. So then let's do the same thing for our obstacle. Variable. Obstacle debug equals true. That's pretty good. Well, that one was fun. Alright, they just want you to add something else to your game. So let's add another obstacle. Animation. How about I wish they had a hot air balloon. Alright, let's just quit messing around. I'll have a turtle. Okay, close. Turtle. Alright, we have our turtle. So now we're going to add obstacle 2. Obstacle 2. And let's put this at 100, 100. And at this point, hopefully it should just be a box. Yep, good. So now we need to set the animation for the obstacle, right? Obstacle 2, set animation to turtle. Cool. And then we're going to come down here, and we had this if statement. So let's do another if. If coin is touching obstacle 2, where's this place? Obstacle 2, displace coin. Alright, let's run it and see what we got here. Looks good. Now we need to add the bounce. Character, bounce off obstacle 2, and we're done. Do.